Pokemon bag review. Let's get into it, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Like always, thank you for tuning into my videos. It's greatly appreciated to know that you're all there and care to watch them. Hope everything is well in your world. If it is not going your way, just remember that you are loved by me. Side smash, we get some oldies. So here we go. 2010, right off the bat. 2008. 2011, and these are all over the place. So what, 2008, here we go, score, 2010, 2010, 2010, 2010, 2008, 2011. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. Jolteon. It's not a holographic, but still a rare. I'll take that. 2008. Another rare. Ooh, 2010 rare. Ooh, Steelix. Yeah. What, Pokemon Go edition or whatever? Sweet. Old Amber. 2017. No, 2012. Sorry. Oh my. What? Dang. We scored. Look at that. Got a bunch of dark energy. And they're all holographic. Nice. Not one, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. What the heck? That is craziness. That was a win. What do you all think? Like, subscribe, comment, and share what you all think of this video. Comments are greatly appreciated. Hit that thumbs up button. Become a subscriber. I love you all. Till next time. Take care.